morning, everyone, and welcome to our second event in 3 years of SpectroMed at the Ayala Museum. We couldn't think of a better venue to host an aesthetic symposium than the Ayala Museum. After all, I believe that every dermatologist today deals with art, technology, and beauty.
Last year we did about 750,000 procedures in the world, which is an average 14,000 a week or 2,000 procedures per day, which means our products are widely used. Overall, we have 18 different technologies on 12 platforms since 2016. This is because we keep innovating and we keep putting most of our profit back into R&D. Our speaker, keynote speaker for today, both certified dermatologist, is also associate professor. She has been doing cosmetic dermatology for many years. Please welcome Dr. Judith Hellman.
So this is the platform that I use as my absolutely total aesthetic solution. Because in this one little platform, I can do all the applications and give my patients all the different treatments that they need. I don't need 10 different lasers anymore. I have one device that does it all. And I just want to tell you that in addition to New York, I now have a practice in Florida. And I only have one single device there, and this is the one with all the things that I'm going to talk to you about today. Now, I say that these are all my favorite treatments, but they really are. Because every one of these applications on the Remote Pro platform is unique and uniquely effective and successful.
We win a lot of business and consumer innovation awards every year, so we're highly recognized by the industry.
So would you have any advice, if you have any additional advice for us, the type of anesthesia we use?
Morpheus8 does not have to be painful. There's no way you can get some treatment without some minimal discomfort, but that's different from pain.
I want to ask about Morpheus8. If the patient comes in with fillers already on the face, what is the shortest time that we can do Morpheus?
First you do your Morpheus and then you can do your fillers. That's one way. But if you're going to do fillers, you don't want to poke hot needles into your filler and knock it out. So you want to wait about 3 months. InMode has the ACE technology. The ACE technology makes it safe and different. We apply at temperature. The technology will keep us there, and therefore we can extend this treatment safely and efficacy. So now we add an extra added benefit to that bulk heating of the skin, which produces collagen production and elastic tissue, not only in the deep but also in the top layers of the skin, while we can improve pigmentation, while we can get rid of red color, and then we can deliver that punch with the Morpheus8. InMode has the ACE technology. The ACE technology makes it safe and different. We apply at temperature. The technology will keep us there, and therefore we can extend this treatment safely and efficacy.